How to make halftone effect in Canva. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, go here in our Canva and make sure that we are logged in into our account. Now, once we are now here, the next thing that we need to do is to create a design. So just choose your size right here. So I'm just going to type here on the search bar A4 size. So let's say, for example, that you're going to use this one right here. And once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to go here and upload our photo. Now, all you have to do is to upload your photos right here. However, I don't have any photos. So let's try something here on the elements. So I'm just going to look for images right here. So let's say, for example, that we're going to use this one right here. And then the next thing that we need to do is to this one right there. And then the next thing that we need to do is to, of course, position it or resize it into your likings. And then once we're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the left screen and then click the apps. So in this apps on the search bar, just search for screen and then click enter. Once you search for screen right there, just click this one right here. And then once you click that, just click open. And then once you do that, you will see a bunch of effect that you can choose from. So just select the image that you want to use and then choose this halftone. Once you choose the halftone right there, you can now adjust the halftone amount right here by just doing this. Then as you can see that the image is changing. And then of course also the halftone scale, also for the linocut amount and then the linocut scale. So adjust it into your likings and then click save. And then once you do that, of course, the next thing that we need to do is to click the share button and then save it or download it into your computer. And then that's basically it. That is how to make halftone effect in Canva.